Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, June 19th, 2020. And this morning we looked at a study based off of opening above the prior day high and options expiration day, which was showing a weak bias. And we're starting to see this play out pretty strongly. And what I want to do this afternoon is follow that up with what has happened historically going into the close if this type of price action is still holding up. So what we've seen is a gap up. Our open is right near the highs of the session, and we're trading down in the bottom portion of the range right now. So I'm going to use a pattern where you're opening in the upper 25% of the daily range, and at 2:30 p.m. you are trading in the bottom 25% of the daily range. And that is currently true right now, but it's not 2:30 yet. So I guess that could change by the time it actually gets to 2:30. But as of right now, that pattern is true. And let's set this up and discover. We will look at all four instruments. Intraday time-based entry of long at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. And then I'm going to go into the post-open filters, and I am going to say that it opened in the top 25% of the intraday range. And as of 2:30, what has happened if it's trading in the bottom 25% of the intraday range? And then I'm going to go into market events and add that today is options expiration day. So let me scroll down here and add options expiration day, then click view results. And here we go. So it looks like we've got 34 samples in the ES, 34 in the NASDAQ, 27 in the YM, 26 in the Russell. And as a whole, it looks like all of the win rates on average are somewhere around 40% or so. We've got 38 in the ES, 44 in the NASDAQ, 41 in the YM, and 42 in the Russell. So historically, this has been a bit of a weak pattern going into the close on options expiration day if we're developing trend-like activity where you are opening in the top portion of the range and trading down in the bottom portion of the range at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So I hope you found that interesting. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you next week.